Okay, good morning, ladies. Today we're going to do a phonics lesson, okay? And the phonics lesson is going to focus on suffixes F-U-L and L-Y. Our learning target is students will be able to decode words with the suffixes L-Y and F-U-L. Now, as a refresher, just a reminder that a suffix is a word part that we add to the end of words to change the meaning. So suffixes come at the end of a base or root word, okay? And it changes the meaning, right? Today I want to teach you that F-U-L makes the sound full and L-Y makes the sound ly, okay? So when I read words, I say each sound and then I blend them all together, all right? So let's take a look at these words or listen to these words. Badly, poorly, slowly, neatly. I'm going to say them again. Badly, poorly, slowly, and neatly. What did I hear when I said all of those words? I hear the sound ly in each of those words, which are my suffixes. Okay? What about when I say the words thankful, helpful, colorful, and playful? I'm going to repeat them. Thankful, helpful, colorful, playful. What sound do I hear in each of those words? I hear the sound full, okay? Full. So the suffixes L-Y and F-U-L each have a meaning, okay? When I add the suffix F-U-L, full, to a word, it changes its meaning because F-U-L means full of. When I add the suffix L-Y to a base word, it changes its meaning because L-Y lets me know that it means in a way that is. So let's go up here and look at our chart. I have 4 base words. I have care. If I add the suffix F-U-L, full, to the base word care, I get a new word, which is careful, okay? So going back and looking at what full means, full of, I now know that my new word careful means full of care. I have the base word spoon. When I add the suffix F-U-L or full, I get the new word spoonful. Knowing that full means full of, I know that it is full of a spoon, okay? A lot on the spoon. I have the base word soft, okay? If I add the suffix L-Y, I get a new word softly. Again, L-Y or ly means in a way that is. So I know that my new word softly means in a way that is soft, okay? And I have the base word calm. Calm. When I add the suffix L-Y, my new word is calmly. And I know that L-Y means in a way that is, so I know that this new word calmly means in a way that is calm, okay? So, let's take a look at, I'm going to move this over. Let's take a look at some of our, some base words that we can add the suffix L-Y to, okay? So, I have the base word slow, slow. If I add the suffix L-Y, I have a new word, which is, say it with me, slowly. Awesome. I have a new word that is slowly. So when I blend these letters or these letter sounds together, I get slowly, slowly, okay? So if we know that L-Y means in a way that is, we know that slowly means in a way that is what?
Slow.
Slow. Awesome job. I'm going to add the base word sad, okay? If I add the suffix ly to the base word sad, I have a new word that is sadly, sadly. What would be the definition of sadly? In a way that is sad. Awesome job. I have the base word neat. If I add it to the suffix ly, I have a new word that is neatly. Neatly. My new word is neatly. I added that suffix ly to neat, knowing that ly means in a way that is, so we know that neatly means what? In a way that is in a way that is neat. Awesome job. Let's look at this one. We're going to play with the suffix full. Full. Here we have the base word hope. I'm going to add the suffix full. Hopeful. 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 Remember, our suffix full means full of. So what would the definition of this new word hopeful mean?
Hope.
Full of
Hope.
hope. Awesome job. Let's add another base word. Joy. Joy. Joyful. Joyful. Okay? Again, full means full of, so joyful means full of joy. Awesome. Next, we have the base word use. I'm going to add the suffix full. We have useful. Useful. We know that the new meaning is now what? Full of use, meaning that we can use it a lot. Next, we have the base word help. I'm going to add it to our suffix full, okay, like such. Helpful, helpful, helpful. Our new word means what? Full of help. Awesome job, ladies. Again, just a review. The suffix ful, full, it makes it sound full, means full of. The suffix ly, which makes it sound ly, means in a way that is, okay? Now what we're going to do is identify the suffixes in each of these words, okay? We have thoughtful, thoughtful. In the word thoughtful, what is the suffix?
Full.
Full. So if full again means full of, what does thoughtful mean? Full of thoughts. Awesome. Next we have softly. I'm sorry. Safely. I was looking at it backwards. Safely. What is the suffix in the word safely? Ly. That ly makes the sound ly. And we know that ly means in a way that is. So this means what? In a way that is safe. Next we have gladly. Gladly. What is the suffix in this word gladly? Ly. Again, ly means what? In a way that is. So in a way that is what? Glad. Awesome. Next we have cheerful. Cheerful. What is the suffix in the word cheerful? Full. We know that full means what? Full of. So we're full of what? Cheer. Now I'll do one more. Good job, ladies. Successful. Something that I would love for you guys to be. You're on the right path. Successful. What is the suffix in the word successful? Full. So we know that this word means what? Full of success. Awesome job. So what we're going to do now is take a look at our worksheet that we have here, or our activity, okay? So each of you get these, and I'm going to give you one of these. Okay, so let's take a look at it, all right? We have some words. We're dealing with the suffix ly. That's what we're going to focus on right now. So repeat after me. Rarely. Mildly. Mildly. Awesome. Gently. Boldly. Frankly. Quickly. Slowly. Partly. Safely. Awesome. So it was a cold winter day. The wind blew wildly through the trees. Gladly, I had my warm gloves and coat. I quickly zipped my coat and headed outside. I walked briskly to the bus stop and waited, standing there alone, stiffly, looking for my bus. I felt a bit lonely. I hoped there would be someone to sit next to on the way to school. When is it important to move quickly? What I want you to do is turn and talk and discuss when it will be important to move quickly. I need to hear this conversation. When would it be important to move quickly? Think about when we're at school.
So get it done.
So you can get something done fast, okay? When would it be important to move quickly?
So I don't feel like it's a long day at school.
Okay, so you won't feel like it's a long day at school? What about if you hear a bell ring?
Um,
Would it be important to move quickly then?
no, not that. I don't think.
Yes. What kind of bell would make you want to move quickly?
The go home bell.
Okay, the go home bell. What else?
The last bell. Of the
Which is
day.
the last bell of the day, yes.
When your teacher says it's time to get ready to go.
Okay, so everybody try to move quickly to leave. What about when there's a
Fire drill.
fire drill? Is it important to move quickly or slowly?
Slowly.
You want to move slowly or you want to go quickly to get out?
We have to go slowly so we won't bump things.
You definitely have to be careful so you don't bump. Oh, that's another one. Careful so you don't bump into anyone. But you want to move quickly so that you can get out in a timely manner, right?
Safe.
So what I want you to do is look at that paragraph, that passage that we just read, right? And I want you to use your markers to write down words that you can find in that paragraph that have the suffix ly. Ly. I'm gonna write mine down as well. I'll go with you guys. We're identifying words that have the suffix ly. You girls are doing an awesome job. I love how quickly you all are working. I am grateful to have awesome students like y'all. See how I just used those suffixes, ly and full? All right, give you about 1 more minute. All right, let's talk about it. Let's talk about the words that we found in the passage. What was the first word that has the suffix ly?
Wildly.
Wildly, awesome. What would be another one? Gladly, awesome. And another one?
Quickly.
Quickly, awesome. And another one? What's that?
Stay.
Stiffly. Okay, did we miss one?
Lonely.
What did we miss right here?
Brisk.
Briskly. Awesome. And I love how you guys are decoding those words. What else? And what was the last one you said, Kamara?
Lonely.
Lonely. Awesome job. So just as a quick review, when we add the suffixes ful and ly, which makes the sound full and ly to a base word, it can change the meaning. Full means what? Full of. Ly means what? In a way that is. Awesome job. So let's take a look at, I'm going to say some words, and you tell me if I should add the suffix full or the suffix ly. Grace.
Grace.
Would it be graceful, or I'll write it down?
Gracefully.
Let's see.
It could be both of them.
Okay. Which one you want to add it to?
Graceful.
Full. Awesome. So I'm going to add graceful.
Or it could be gracefully.
What about friend
Friendly.
or friendful?
Friendly.
Friendly. Awesome. What about the word thank?
Thankfully.
Thankly or thankful?
Thankful.
Thankful. Full of what?
Thank.
Thanks. What about tight?
Tightly.
Tightly. What does that word mean? Understanding what the suffix ly means, which is in a way that is, what does tightly mean?
Really tight.
In a way that is what?
Tight.
Tight. Awesome. What about use? Would it be useful or usely?
Useful.
Full of what?
Use.
And quick.
Quickly.
Quickly. Awesome job, girls. Can you guys think of any words that have the suffix full and ly that we haven't come up with?
Let's see.
No? What about beautiful?
Oh,
Just like YouTube. Very what? Beautiful. Inside and out. Okay? Alright, so just to go back over our learning target, you guys, after this lesson, should be able to decode words with the suffixes ly and full. What sound does ly make? What sound does the ly make?
full.
Ly. Ly. And ful makes the sound
Full.
full. Awesome job. Thank you. Thank you, Zara.